going to be showing you a quick house tour of where I currently live, which is a shared house, a private accommodation, and it's got 3 floors, and I'm currently on the first floor. And at this point, this is the entrance. This front door. This is the hallway. This is the entrance to my room, and this is the bathroom as well. There's a quick span. This is the kitchen. Laundry's being done right now, so it's a bit hard to hear me, but this is the kitchen. And then outside from here is the patio or the garden, and we have sofas here in the kitchen. I sometimes sit down over here, and we sit down on these chairs, which is like stools, and we socialize sometimes. From the kitchen we go upstairs, and these are the other rooms. This is the second bathroom on the second floor, and then we go upstairs again. And these are the other rooms, and this is the third bathroom. Thank you so much for watching, and also thank you so much for viewing this house tour of my private accommodation.